Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Also, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our video as it will help our channel. Welcome back guys. So this is the second video, and in this video we're going to be showing you the stunt show that they have in Old Tucson Studios. And I want to talk to you a little bit about this show because from my perspective, I'm a political science major, and I would say a good portion of what you are about to see is factually correct. Not that, you know, the Old West was really wild, but really how the Old West was run sometimes and how it had to be run in order to maintain the cohesiveness of a society or a town. So with that said, go grab a drink, go grab a bunch of chips, and for those of you who've never seen our chip video, I'm going to leave a link up here to show the origins of the Dorito chips. Grab the stuff, sit back, kick back, and let's have some fun.
Certain kind of person to thrive. Those who swore to protect the innocent could also be susceptible to corruption, greed, and power. When the line that divides good and evil is crossed, those that are good have to walk that line in order to survive.
Never question me like that in front of the prisoner again. Great to see you.
Sir, look, with all due respect, I went to Yale, I read law there. Our country doesn't torture, and you just beat that man within an inch of his life.
Listen here, city boy. It's Arizona territory. All don't reside out here like you do out east. Lawman. You gotta be tough on these criminals and teach us a lesson.
That man wasn't a criminal. Right? He was a drunk gambler who got in a yelling match with the dealer. He needed to go home and sober up, not get beaten half to death.
Deputy Kaufman, how long you been here?
What?
How long you been living in my territory?
3 months.
3 months. I've been living out here for near 25 years. I know these people and how best to deal with them. I'm a sheriff in this town. If I see fit to beat or kill anyone, it's well within my right as a lawman to do so.
Living somewhere for a long period of time doesn't justify it. You might be the sheriff, but that doesn't make you judge, jury, and executioner.
Like hell it does. I know what's best for these people. Those are the rules. As long as they live by my rules, they live in peace.
These people, they're afraid of you. They live their lives in fear of what Sheriff Edwin Braxton will do to them if they were to even look at him the wrong way.
As they should. I'm going to let this go because you're my deputy, but I'm warning you. You question my authority again, and I will put the fear of God in you. I just met that man in there. He had it easy compared to what I'll do to you, boy.
What happened to your last deputy?
My last deputy.
Yeah, business.
Well, two boys drunk again?
No, sir. We ain't drunk.
Just got off work playing rail.
Smart mouth, big boy. Deputy here. Got acquainted with these two low-life troublemakers.
New deputy?
Hey, how long is this one gonna last?
Hey!
Tell him your name, all right?
I'm Jim.
Tell him your name, James Young! You cowboy, tell him your name. Come on.
Tell him, I'm Francis!
That's a little better, huh?
Alright, get on home now.
I don't think these two boys have learned their lesson yet. They don't play by the rules, Deputy.
What rules have these two broken?
They're the rules I want them to be.
Alright. You pathetic, despicable old man. Let's see how tough you are with action guns. James, take your gun belt home.
Francis.
Take it off! What good is the law when the one enforcing it abuses it whenever he wants?
Look, fellas, why don't we just calm down, alright? Cut our losses, walk away, nothing good is gonna come from this.
No, you're with him. Just as bad as him.
See that, Deputy Kaufman? These two boys are born rotten. Ain't nothing they can do that's gonna change.
Sheriff, we are men of the law. We need to be above this sort of thing.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit tired of you. You're gonna take that gun off, or I'll make it the three of us against you. Come on.
Sheriff, why don't you just listen to reason?
Reason. It's the stupidest thing you said all day. He ain't capable.
Hey! I got you. Sorry. Alright, why don't you just calm down right
Get
now?
out of my way! You two boys will listen to every rule I have to say and follow it to the letter!
Why? You'll just change the rules. So we're always in some kind of trouble.
You want more, boy?
Now it's about time you get in some trouble. Hey! Hey, Mike!
I will beat both of you boys to a bloody pulp.
Alright! Alright, Sheriff. The Davis heard, okay? Alright, we're done for.
Damn right you're done for.
Hey! What the hell are you doing? They surrendered. They're unarmed.
Think it's safe to leave these two boys alive? They tried to kill us both.
They deserve a fair trial.
Fair trial.
There, there.
Now that's the dumbest thing you've said all day.
What the hell is wrong with you? Are you insane?
I will gladly gun down anybody who gets in my way.
Is that what happened to your last deputy?
Again with my last. You know, I reckon so. Happened to Bauer, Lawton, Sumner. I tell you the truth, I can't even remember the last fellow's name.
You don't deserve to wear that badge.
And who's gonna take it from me? You? You barely made it through that fight. Really? Do you really think you can be a better sheriff than I am?
Why, yes. And a better man.
Is that right? Then go ahead and show me. Show me that you're faster and better than I am.
I'm not gonna fight.
Then I'll gun you down right where you stand. Come on, boy. Show me you're worth a damn. You think I don't know the world we live in? I have the best rule over my town? Then do your best to take it from me.
People shouldn't have to live their lives in fear. of those who have sworn to protect them. May you rest in peace, Edwin.
Sheriff Kaufman freed the people of the town. They no longer had to live in fear of those breaking the law or those hiding behind it. Their new sheriff ruled justly and fair, bringing the laws of the East to the lawless West. Ladies and gentlemen, the actors of Old Tucson.
Woo!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming and seeing our last show of the day, Rules of the Lawless West. Now, unfortunately, it was the last show, but whether or not you have many miles to travel, or just a few, we hope you make them safe ones. And come back here again to Old Tucson, where the spirit of the Old West comes alive.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. How much fun was that? Before we let you go, we're going to show you 3 really cool videos. And 2 of the videos here, it's all about food, food, food. Enough said, right? So the last video here, this is all about the hometown Disney grew up in, and it was located in the Midwest. It's a lot of fun. Check it out, and we will see you in the next video.